The EasyMorph expression generator brings the power of generative AI to EasyMorph, making it simple to perform complex business calculations without having to write a single line of code. EasyMorph expressions can be daunting for those who are new to EasyMorph or for those less technical. The AI-powered expression generator allows us to write a simple prompt describing the calculation or business logic we need. When we click on Generate Expression, the prompt is then sent to EasyMorph's cloud-hosted AI agent and turned into a valid EasyMorph expression, ready for you to test. Note that the first time you use the expression generator, you will be prompted to agree to the use of the AI service. The prompt you write and the names of the fields in the table will be sent to the cloud service to allow it to generate your expression. Don't worry, none of your sensitive business data is sent. Without writing any code, we've added a calculated field to our data. We aren't limited to simple calculations and can describe much more complex business logic to be turned into an expression. You can help the agent to know exactly which fields or parameters you mean by including them in your prompt. You can click on them in the lists on the left-hand side of the expression window to add them directly where your cursor is placed. If we ask for something that isn't possible in an EasyMorph expression, the expression generator will not just provide an error, but will offer suggestions how else we might be able to achieve what we need. Such as here, where I've asked for a running total, and the expression generator has told me that it isn't possible with an expression, but that there is an action which I could use to achieve what I need instead. Expressions are not just used for calculating new fields, they also appear in other places, such as when defining filters or conditionally deriving tables. Anytime you see this icon, you can click on it to open the expression editor window and use the AI expression generator. And you aren't limited to writing prompts in English, other languages are supported also. Let the EasyMorph AI expression generator help you turn your business logic into EasyMorph expressions.